Hello there, I'm Shannon, and today I get to show you the Timeless Tidings Project Kit. If you're someone who loves to give away handmade Christmas cards, it's your lucky day. This kit looks like the ultimate example of holiday elegance, but with very little fuss. So you can make handmade cards, but you don't have to start from scratch. Let's have a look at the finished projects. So these are the 4 cards that you get in the kit. And at first look, you'll notice several of the pieces and card backgrounds are watercolored. So you can see the shading and the light and dark that's there on the cards. So beautiful. In my opinion, this is the true beauty of this kit. So you get these 4 cards, and then you get envelopes to match that have gold foil, and then they are printed on the inside in 2 different colors. Let's look at all of the stuff that comes in the kit. So there are 4 different card designs, and you'll get 5 of each card, as well as 20 envelopes to match, to go along with. And then you get all of the accents that you need for the cards. The cardstock and printed die cuts, the backgrounds needed for the labels and greetings, and then some gold self-adhesive pieces, as well as rhinestone jewels in 2 different colors. And to help you complete the kit, you get a brochure that includes what's in your kit, the steps to complete the kit, additional items needed, coordinating colors, tips, and full color pictures of the finished cards. So many items. This kit is such a great value. Now, to complete the kit, you'll need the following additional items. The Timeless Tidings stamp set, which is a fantastic Christmas set that you'll be able to use for years to come. Jet Black Stays-On ink, snail adhesive, and Stampin dimensionals. You can buy these items separately or have a fun night of stamping with your friends and invite your demonstrator. She'll bring these items as extra supplies. So let's make some of these cards. First, I'm going to stamp the greetings so that we have those on hand when assembling the cards. There are 2 different sizes of circle pieces, so watch that so you know which one goes with which greeting. So these are the 4 card bases, and you'll notice that 3 of the 4 cards have guides printed on them to help you when placing the gold embellishment. So starting first with this card, this one is actually the shorter of the 2 gold pieces. Same thing for this next card, only this time we'll use the longer gold embellishment. This card also has a guide printed, and it comes to a point, so it matches up with the gold embellishment needed. And finally, this card has this gorgeous piece that goes along with it, with all these leaves. It has a guide on this piece of where to place the gold label. This one also, you may want to curl the edges up to have it pop off the card a little bit. Your friends and family are sure to feel the warmth and love you are sharing through these handmade cards this holiday. To order these items, contact your local demonstrator or visit us at stampinup.com. Thanks so much. Bye.